left today, grabbed a real light coat, and then went outside. Realized how cold it was, ran back in and got a heavier coat. It's deceiving out there. It looks beautiful, though.
It does. And maybe that's the bright spot when we have to deal with some of these colder temperatures, that we at least get some nice sunshine in here. You can take this live look from Edgewater Beach. I've seen a few folks walking along the beach so far this morning, and you know, it's a colder day. It's December. We expect it to be a little bit colder, but at least we get a little bit of that sunshine in here. You can certainly see there's a little bit more chop on the water. That's with those winds coming in out of the west northwest. They're a little bit gustier at times. We said this was likely going to be the case, especially for areas off to the east, and that's exactly where we're seeing some of those higher gusts. Now, I do anticipate that the wind is going to die down a little bit more as we go into this afternoon, but you could still find some isolated wind gusts upwards of, I would say, 20-25 miles per hour, at least in the short term, before we finally start to turn the page to a bit more quiet conditions here as we go through the next couple of days. So at best today, we're talking highs into the upper 30s. It's going to be a colder day, but you'll notice tomorrow and then especially by Friday, things are really starting to turn a page for us, and we're bringing back a little bit more of that heat. I think Friday, best day that we're going to have here over the next 7, because not only do you get the sunshine, but you also get some of those mild temperatures as well. Perfect way to start the weekend. And really, when you look at the weekend forecast, especially in terms of temperatures, it's not bad. Saturday, upper 40s. It's a little cooler just because we'll have a few more clouds on hand, but Sunday's looking beautiful with temperatures near 50 degrees. But there are some changes with Sunday that we have to talk about, and it all has to do with this big system that you're starting to see come together down across parts of the southern plains. So places like Texas, Oklahoma, even up towards Kansas, seeing the development of this system. It's quiet here now, but the track of how far south, how far north that system goes, that is going to be crucial in talking about our weekend forecast. So looking at a lot of the new data and even seeing some of these trends yesterday, we did add back just a few afternoon showers possible as we look ahead towards Sunday. So keep that in mind if you're headed to the Browns game. I want to show you this new data alert just because of the things that are changing with this forecast. You'll notice Saturday stays a quiet day for us. We're not overly concerned with any rain chances, but that's the system coming in late Saturday afternoon into the evening that could bring us the possibility of at least finding a few showers to close out the weekend before we head into the early part of the work week. So that has been a trend. We've seen it for a few model runs now. So that's why we are adding it back to the forecast. But I don't think overall your entire weekend going to be a washout by any means. We'll just have to watch the timing of that. And in the meantime, enjoy the rest of the work week. Plenty of sunshine. And again, temperatures by Friday warming back closer to 50 degrees.